So in this Google Sheets tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to adjust font size here in Google Sheets. So once you have Google Sheets opened up, super simple. I just want you to pick a square or pick a cell and type in whatever text you want. So I'm just going to go ahead here and type in, this is my text font size example. All right, so as you can tell, it actually defaults to size 10 font. So super simple. I'll just press on the square, I guess the cell that you want to change the font size of. I go to this top bar right here to this area where it says number 10. If you want to do it just by pressing increase font size, you can press on the plus arrow right here. If you want to press on the down arrow, the negative side, you can actually make it smaller. If you want to make it a custom height, so if you want to make it 21 for an example, you can press 21, press enter. And there you go. Now another way you can do this as well, because if you type into this screen right here, as you can tell, it'll default back to size 10. If you want to change this for the entire document, go to where it says format on the top part right here, press on format, go all the way down to where it says font size right here. So this little small t and this large t, as you can tell, it actually defaults to 10. But if you want to make it 24 for an example, you can press on 24 so that when you type in now in this square, it's going to say, this is my text font size example, and it also makes the size of this font 24. So that is how you guys can adjust the font size here in Google Sheets. I hope this video helps.